गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स नाइन्थ क्लास में आज हम चैप्टर 3 स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीडियो में इसके जो बेसिक पॉइंट्स क्या हैं और कैसे आपने इस चैप्टर को कंटिन्यू करना है, कैसे स्टार्ट करना है, तो वो आज हम सब चीज़ें हम डिस्कस करेंगे। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज़ कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री एंड वेयर इट इज़ यूज्ड। तो सबसे पहले if we have to find a location of a point or something of like any object or something else, so you have to use coordinate geometry to find its exact location. All right, so first question is that how to locate the position of an object or a point in a plane. What is plane? Plane is a two-dimensional space. Like if I call this page is a plane, and if I mark here a point, so we have to find coordinate of this point with respect to this plane. So how we can solve it, how we can find it, let's check out. First of all, to use coordinate geometry, we require two perpendicular lines like this. One is horizontal line and second one is vertical line, and where these two lines cross each other, that is called a point. We can say that these two lines cut on a single point, and this point is called xy. And this, what is this xy? This is called coordinates of this point A. So hence we call xy coordinates of a point A, and this system is called Cartesian plane, Cartesian system, या हम ये ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं system of Cartesian. A plane in which point lies is called Cartesian plane. जैसे अगर हम इस पेज की बात कर रहे हैं तो इस पेज को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Cartesian plane. And lines are called Cartesian, or we can say that coordinate axes. These two, horizontal and vertical line, is called coordinate axes. Now move further. Here horizontal line is called x-axis line, and what about vertical line? This is called y-axis, where these two x-axis and y-axis lines, where these two lines intersect each other, this is called point origin. And what is the coordinates of this point? This is 0 0. O point is origin, 0 0. Now here these two lines intersect each other and they form four quadrants. These two-dimensional space, or we can say that these two-dimensional plane, is called quadrants. Now, and all the points, they lies in these four quadrants. All right, we can say that one point may be lie between first quadrant, maybe lie between second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant. So now next is, okay, one more thing, as you know very well, because you have done already in 8th class, that is a graph, introduction of graph. You have done that chapter, and you know very well that from origin to right side, these are all points are positive, and from origin to left side, all points are negative points. Similarly, above from origin, these all points are positive, and from below from origin, these all points are called negative points. So now in first of all, quadrants. Now in first quadrant, we can say that, you can easily say that see, it is first quadrant, and here values of x is positive and value of y axis, that is also positive. So we can say that in first quadrant, x value is positive and y value is also positive. So how we have take some examples like 1 2 3 5 2 4. So these are the examples of quadrant. नाउ ऐसे ही हम सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट की तरफ मूव करते हैं। तो सेकंड में क्या होगा आप ध्यान से देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे एक्स एक्सिस इज नेगेटिव एंड वाई एक्सिस इज पॉजिटिव। सो आवर पॉइंट्स आर -1, 2, and students, you know very well that first point is refers to x and second one refers to y. So now x is negative and y is positive. So now x value is negative, -1, 2, here is -3, 5 and -2, 4. In third quadrant x and y both are negative. So here are examples: -1, 2, -1, -2, -3, -2, -1, -5. And last, in fourth quadrant x value is positive and y value is negative. So examples are 5 - 7, 2 - 3, 1 - 5. So these are your four quadrants. Now next, one more important thing, that point on x-axis, what we call here, y coordinates will be 0 on x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. So examples of our points are like 1, 0, -2, 0, 3, 0. Here you can say that x values will be either negative or positive because point lie on x-axis. Either it will be on left side of 0 origin or maybe right side of origin. So values of x may be positive as well as negative, but y value is always 0. So similarly, point on y-axis we can say that here x coordinates will be 0. So examples will be 0, 2, 0, -4, 0, -1. Here values of y may be negative, may be positive because points lie on y-axis. It will be it may be on positive part or it may be on negative part. All right, but जो first part है जो x value है that will be always 0. So here look at these some examples like point on x-axis. You can easily see that points may be on from origin. Point may lie on right side, point lie on maybe left side. So according to this, points will be changed like 1, 0, 2, 0, but on negative side that will be -1, 0 and -2, 0. These are the points on x-axis. What about y-axis? So here points on above line or below line. So that is 0, 1, 0, 2 and 0, -1, 0, -2. These points on y-axis. And now last and important part is x coordinates will also called as abscissa and y coordinates will also called as ordinates. I hope you understand easily the basic concepts of coordinate geometry. Rest we will be discussing in our live interaction class. You may write all these important points on your notebook and you can learn all these points also. Best of luck. Have a nice day.